Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Today, we unveil an innovative solution, a plant disease detection application designed to empower gardeners in Sri Lanka and beyond. Let's dive into how this application revolutionizes plant care and disease management. First of all, let's move into the problem domain. In Sri Lanka, a significant portion of the population engages in gardening, whether for personal pleasure or sustenance. However, many individuals lack the expertise to identify plant diseases, which can result in the deterioration of their plant's health. Without timely intervention, these diseases can spread and devastate entire gardens or crops. As a result, there is a need for a user-friendly and accessible solution that empowers gardeners to quickly and accurately identify plant diseases. So, the solution that we have built is a mobile application called FloraCare. Our project aims to develop a mobile application that assists gardeners in Sri Lanka in identifying and managing plant diseases. By utilizing image recognition technology and a comprehensive plant disease database, the application will allow users to capture photos of their plants showing symptoms of disease. The app will then analyze the images and provide users with information about the likely disease along with recommended steps for treatment and prevention. Now, let's look at the solution description using control flow. So, first of all, our application, when it starts, it will check whether there is a net connection or not. If it hasn't a net connection, it will display a message, no internet connection. Or else, it will go to the login page. If an account is already created, it will log in automatically. Or else, it will go to the sign up page. You have to create your account first, and then it will be login. So, after that, it will be directed to the home page. So in the home page, there will be three options: to use a camera, to see the user history, or to manage user account. First of all, when we select the user history option, it will display the history, which plants, diseases we have searched previously. And then the second option is user account. You can manage your user details or you can log out. And the third one is the camera page. If you go to the camera page, there will be two options to select or capture an image. You can select an image from your photo, from your gallery, the device, or you can capture a photo from your device. And when you send, it will be directed to the disease detection and solution page. So this is the entire idea of our system, the application. So now let's move on to the demo of our application.
Let's move to the demonstration part. In the demonstration part, first we will see the front-end part. After that, we will see the back-end part. This is our mobile application FloraCare. When we enter the application, it is directed to the FloraCare loading page. After that, the user not already logging into the system, it is directed to the login page. Otherwise, for the user already logging into the system, then the user directed to the home page. First, this is our login page. In the login page, the user already have an email account, then he can log in into the system, or he can sign up using the sign up page. This is our sign up page. In the sign up page, the user sign up using the already exist email, then it is directed to the dialog box as file to create account. When the user sign up using a new email account, then he directed to the home page. Now we can see the backend part. When the user sign up into the system, then the user added to the users table in the MySQL database. You can see the Spring Boot and also MySQL database. Here, the user added into the database in the user table. And also, we can see the um, here we are using the token-based system, JWT Bearer token system. Here we can also see the user token expired or not using the token table. Here in the token table, the user token not expired. When the user log out into the system, then the token expired. And also here we save the token in our local storage because in the mobile application, when a user log into the system, until key log out of the system, we don't want to repeatedly log into the system. That's why we are using the high local storage method in this application. And also, we can see here when the user log into the system, then also the token table updated, like expired, not expired, and not revoked, as you see here. In the front end part, in the login page, when the user login with the wrong password or wrong email, then there is a dialog box as login failed. Please check your email or password. Then the user log into the system with the correct password and correct email ID, then key directed to the home page, and user can diagnose his plant disease using the camera or gallery that is in the home page. That diagnosing part will be demonstrated by Achyudan.
Start diagnosing part. By click diagnosing button, we land to a camera page where we can get input from camera as well as gallery. Because of practical difficulties in get input from camera, we use gallery as input. By send the input image to the server, we can get to know about the disease details. Here we can get disease name and solution. Also sample image of the disease. We use another test to show how it works. When we send the image to the server, we use Flash API to get input to our machine learning model. Then machine learning model predict our disease name and send it to a Spring Boot. Then Spring Boot retrieve data about our disease and send it to the app. Then we also serve the disease information in our client font storage, so they can retrieve the disease details even after connection lost. Mm, this is all about our app, and thanks.
Extendabilities. There are some extendabilities for applications. New plant species. We can use it for new plant species, and we can use it for pest identification in future, and can give plant species care guides and give chat feature. In mobile application refers to the functionality that ensures to engage in real-time text-based conversation with each other. That's called chat feature. And we can deploy in Play Store. That means release our mobile application on the Google Play Store. This is one of the largest and most popular distribution platform for Android devices. Last one is user manual. There are the extendabilities for our mobile application. And next one, GitHub page. This is our GitHub page. And this is our project page. Thank you.